In this YouTube video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can earn $5,000 and more with the Manta airdrop very easily. Now, make sure you follow this step by step and pause the video and do the exact same steps that I do so that you too can earn money with this airdrop. Also, make sure you watch till the end to see how much Ethereum I've put in already. Now, let's get right into the video. What exactly is Manta Pacific? So Manta Pacific is the first Ethereum layer 2 on Celestia. So Celestia, what exactly is that? Celestia is a mainnet that launched in October 2023. So it's a blockchain layer 1, and it champions the concept of blockchain modularity, which is essentially trying to strip down a network to the bare bones and therefore making gas fees much cheaper. Now, Manta is the very first layer 2 on Celestia, so it is basically a trailblazer. Now, how do we earn this airdrop? So they released this airdrop this month. Well, the news that there will be an airdrop, as you can see over here, with the new Paradigm program, which is a program that allows users to earn profits by depositing ETH in stablecoins, and therefore they launched this. So once you deposit ETH or stablecoins like USDC, you bridge it to the Manta network from Ethereum, from your Ethereum wallet, and pay those gas fees. That Ethereum will earn yield and you will get stone tokens in return, which allows you to also get yield passively. And then, because you are an early contributor to this network, you also will get in return essentially an airdrop. Okay, and there are also various other features that we will go through shortly. So if we go back onto the main website, we can see how exactly we do it. And how we do it is we get an invite code, and I've already put an invite code in. If you want an invite code, I have all of mine listed here. You can see, put in 0FPWI, TZX7G, or any of these ones. I'll also have them in the links in the description below, so you can just click on that and start farming for your airdrop. What you do next, it will take you to this page where you get an invite code. It has a tick here. You connect your Twitter account too, and then collect your wallet. And once that is done, it will take you to a page like this where you can bridge Ethereum, and then you simply press bridge, and you can put if you've already connected to your Ethereum, which I have. So you go on MetaMask and connect to Ethereum, and then you simply put as much Ethereum as you want. I'll select max, and there's 0.15 Ethereum, and all you have to do next is simply bridge it across. So the fee will probably be around $40 depending on the time. So let's just put a trial transaction to 0.01, and it says how much stone I will receive and yield and boxes. Okay, I already have 0.25 stone because I deposited 0.251 ETH. As you can see, currently the gas fees price is $93, so it's way too busy, the network, and it's way too expensive. So you don't want to do it around now, but you can do it later on in the evening when gas fees are cheaper. Okay, now once you've bridged that across, you get stone in return and yield and boxes. So you'll get yield and you'll get APR, and then you'll also get boxes which are redeemable towards the airdrop. Now the stones also get dual yield, and you can get these stones yielded too, and we'll discuss that later on in the video. Okay, before we do that though, what we want to do is we want to learn more about this airdrop and why I truly believe that it's more beneficial than any of the other airdrops. So if we go on the new Paradigm page, we can scroll all the way to the bottom and see here. One of New Paradigm's competitors is the Blast program, and there are various benefits of New Paradigm compared to Blast and even Arbitrum, which was a massive airdrop where people made good amounts of money. So Ethereum virtual machine compatible? Yes, all of these are. However, New Paradigm, the Manta network, is already a live layer 2. You know, Blast has a multi-sig wallet, whereas New Paradigm and Manta is already live. It has cheaper gas compared to other layer 2s. It has native yield just like the rest. Arbitrum, you didn't get a yield though. This is another big one. 100% of the gas fee that is earned will go back to Blast, but Manta are promising to gift you back that gas revenue and share it along with all the people in the network. There are also more incentives, such as you can use your stone tokens and deposit them to get more yield on those tokens, and you have access to those immediately, compared to, for example, Blast, where it's not your multi-sig wallet, so it's not your tokens. Those tokens are deployed in a multi-sig wallet and they're not yours. There's 5 people that are not even doxed. Also, you have access to them immediately compared to Blast, which are promising it in later. The other big thing, January 2024 is when you can redeem everything compared to May 2024 when Blast is promising it. So it's simply ideal compared to everything else. Okay, it's the first layer 2 to introduce composability for yield-bearing tokens, creating maximum efficiency and rewards for users deploying ETH and stablecoins. They already have 30 million, but I think it's now over 50 million in total value locked. So there is a lot of people that are trusting this network and they've raised a lot of money. So there will be good backing. And there will be good funding. Of course, there is also good backing. If we go on the Twitter, we can see that they are backed by Binance Labs, which are, only in for the big projects. So these are definitely doxed by Binance and Polychain, of course. So they have big backers, and therefore I do believe that they are most likely trustworthy with my money. Okay, and there's various angel investors and people that have been doxed. Okay, so phase 1, of course, you deposit and bridge ETH in, which I've already done and showed you how to do. The deposit period is open until January 2024. 24 hours, you receive your stone, and then you can claim those rewards, which are already happening passively. And then phase 3, after 69 days of Manta token rewards, you can withdraw your ETH back from stone and WUSDM. I think that date is in the 1st of February, because if we go back and we see if we go on bridge and withdraw, it says withdrawal from the bridge will be enabled in February 2024. So that's when you can get your Ethereum back out. But by then you'll have Manta tokens, which you can most definitely sell for a reasonably large amount of money, I assume in excess of 5k. Now, what else do we have to discuss? Let us look at the method again and see if we've missed anything out. We can go to the Twitter thread by Lady of Crypto and look at it once more. If you don't want to look at this, you can skip till the end, but here is the guide. Of course, connect your MetaMask, pay your gas fee, bridge the Ethereum, and then when you've done that, you get Stone, which is already a yield bearing token, so you earn APR. The Stone, of course, earns us boxes which are redeemable for Manta tokens in January, which you can sell for, I think, in excess of 5k due to the size of this and the backing that they are now receiving. You can also receive more points from Stone elsewhere, such as if we scroll down to the end, it will show an option to do that. So the first step, again, you use the invite links which I've provided over here. As you can see, use one of these invite links. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is very simply connect your wallet and connect your Twitter. Once you've done that, press sign wallet, continue, and then deposit the Ethereum that you want to. Once that is deposited, you will start receiving yield and boxes which can be used to claim Manta tokens in January. And then what you're going to do is you can start using Stone again using Lairbankify, and Lairbank is here. You go on Lairbank and then you can earn yield. So there is a method to do that here. How you're going to do that, you go on Lairbank, because right now they don't have any more space, but when they increase their cap for Manta, you are able to get in. But you can go down to market, click available as collateral, and confirm in market maker. Select supply, enter the amount you want, the amount of Stone tokens you want to put in, switch to borrow the safe max, and then it is done, and you can start earning more yield on Stone. So that is the method summarized, and I think that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. What are your comments on the Manta airdrop? Have you started farming it? Are you going to farm it? How much ETH have you put in? And what do you think the price of the Manta token will be? This is the Cash Creator signing off. Peace out.